What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reese, and I'm back with another video. So today we're in the car, and I'm talking really fast because, you know, I feel like everything just happened so fast and I'm rushing. But I'm not driving fast, y'all. Like, you know, taking my time because no accidents because, you know. But, yeah, so I'm just like, even though I'm not gonna record like the situation, but I just want y'all to know that I'm really a good friend, okay? Because anybody need me, I'm literally a phone call away. Like, especially if we got like this bond and I knew you for plus years, and you know I know you would do the same for me. There's no problem with me helping you out. Like, I got you. So my homegirl, she hit me up, and she needed a favor from me, and you know, basically we taking a little road trip to Jersey. So I mean, she has an appointment. I'm calling it an appointment. She has to be at the appointment by 5 o'clock. It's currently 1:11. I mean, Jersey's like literally right there once I get off the belt. But y'all know I live kind of far. So, and I still have to pick her up in Brooklyn. So, yeah. You know, she just had a newborn and all of that. So, you know, Auntie Reese to the rescue. Okay, I wear many hats. Okay, I'm a godmommy, I'm a cousin, I'm an auntie. Like, don't play with me.
Okay.
I wish I could position this camera in a better angle, but you know, and I'm actually, so I'm picking up her and I'm picking up Baesia. Baesia's gonna tag along with me only because, you know, we need backup. No, I'm just kidding. I know it's not gonna stay like that, but I was supposed to meet her for dinner anyway, so I'm like, if I'm already gonna be outside, we might as well do what we gotta do, and after, I guess we can all go out and get something to eat or whatever. But yeah, and I'm pretty hungry too. I ain't really eating nothing for breakfast. No, I didn't eat nothing at all. So I'm pretty hungry. Okay, so like I said, I would never put my homegirl in that situation where I'm gonna be recording. Like, I wouldn't put anybody's business out like that. But you know, I just want y'all to know that I'm a good friend. I'm a good friend. So if anybody try to tell you otherwise, that I'm selfish and if I was selfish, or they think I would be outside right now going and pick she up and doing and helping she, no, I would be in bed, in my nice warm bed, because all you know is it's cold outside. It's 25 degrees right now, you know, and a snowstorm is coming. So if I was selfish, I would not be out here. Okay, so that's what I really wanted to come on here and say and let y'all know that I'm a good friend, I'm a good cousin, I'm a good everything. Like, you know, call me. Don't call me for real. I'm doing 64 and a 40. And that note, I'll see you guys later. Well, for you, it's gonna be in like 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Like I said, probably at dinner or getting a bite to eat or something, because you know, indoor dining don't open back up, and it's too cold to be outdoor dining. So we probably gonna eat in the car. I don't know, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Yeah, mom's gonna get the whole. You know, I got my mom, Mike, everybody else. The strawberry. The strawberry cheesecake. It all comes with the crumb. It looks like
I don't eat cheesecake, y'all.
She don't eat cheesecake. I do.
Hi, may I help you?
But this thing look now there's two.
Strawberry cheesecake, the
Whole cake or slice?
whole cake.
This is ma'am here.
6 inch.
$24.95.
Yeah.
You want that?
Yeah. $24.90
Oh, what you want to swipe on your side?
over there. What's up, y'all? So right now I'm in BJ's parking lot. Asia went inside to BJ's because a snowstorm is coming tonight, and I guess she wants to get whatever. I should really go in there, but I haven't eaten for morning, and I'm starting to get a headache. Like, with everything that just happened, like, my head is starting to bust. So I didn't eat, so I'm like, let me get something. I got some Caribbean food from Grace. I actually got some white rice and curry goat, and I got a little pasta on the side. Cause they be stingy with their pasta. It's basically like just shrimp pasta, but I'm like, let me just go ahead and eat, because if I don't eat, I probably might pass out in BJ's. And I know inside is crowded. It's a Sunday, plus a snowstorm is coming. We literally passed Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, and the line was outrageous, literally outside and everything. But so I just wanted to update y'all on that. So everything pretty much worked out for my friend. The appointment went pretty good. We rolled in there deep. It was all of us in there. But everything worked out, and yeah, so now we're back in Brooklyn. Like I said, Asia's in BJ's. We're at Gateway right now. I feel like I want to go to Target, but I don't really need nothing at Target, you know. Who don't want to go to Target, you know? But yeah, so I'm about to eat this food, and if she's not out by the time I'm done, I'll probably just go and meet her. But not really. I'm really trying to spend unnecessary money. Well, I'll probably call my mom and see if she needs anything from BJ's, but I don't know. But and Asia is texting me. She said, nah, these lines is crazy. I don't know. Everybody's scared of this snowstorm that's coming. All right, bye guys. To put something back, like that's the
price.
18 something right there.
$18 for this. She go to the fish market and get a bag of fish. You buying first the cake and now this. Tell her what you bought. Tell her the cake you bought.
I didn't buy anything.
You bought 2 cakes. All right, a cake and a slice. So
it's not even for me. She didn't even let me finish the salmon. So it's for everybody. So I cooked the one thing for me, my mom, and Mike.
you split it.
Yeah, we all cut it. We cooked the whole
You have
thing.
to get a bag of salmon. 7 pieces of salmon. This is like 3. You know, we back to the cake thing. You talking about some fish. So she walked and buy cake from Junior. So she's like, oh, no, you see Junior, so you come this way. So I'm like, yeah. So after I introduced her to the second best cheesecake in the world, I can't tell y'all, but if she want to push y'all on, she can push y'all on. Which is half the price of what she paid. Even her mother thought it was from Junior. That's how good it was.
No, now I have to compare. Now I have an actual Junior. So that means
she got a slice. She got the whole cake. And she always ate Junior. So she had Junior before.
Because again, I have to share with people in the house. That's why I got the whole thing. But it's not. It's a itty bitty thing. Like
exactly
4 slices and it's done.
I tell them how much it costs. That 4 slices.
Oh, whatever.
Ridiculous.
Whatever.
I got soap.
Y'all, so these lines is outrageous. I know y'all saw the police open up the door for me. They locked the doors. Okay. Y'all don't have food in your house. Y'all wasn't prepared for the snowstorm.
They coming by TVs.
They coming to buy TVs. And look at her cart. Oh, say hi to Desire and Zion. Hi.
Oh, what are they?
They watch us. Hi, Desire. She got some muffins for y'all, okay? They got the charcoal one. Yeah. Well, I think it's Colgate. No, it's okay. Y'all, so these lines are legit crazy. How much is that? You just picking it up, not even looking at the price. And she's talking about my cake is expensive. My salmon is expensive. Let me see.
White guys. So for the charcoal, you swig a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth. Then you
Coconut oil?
Yeah, girl. Whiten your teeth a week. Do it for a week straight. 20 minutes. Swish for 20 minutes.
I never heard of coconut oil in your mouth.
Yes.
I learned something new today.
Either you could do coconut oil and turmeric. Turmeric stays.
So what you do? Repeat.
You put a small tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for like 15 minutes. I couldn't breathe after 5, so I had to spit it out.
What the hell? This is worth $15. Well, it comes with 4. I never tried it. I wanted to try it. I hear people talk about it.
I know chocolate's good. I guess I use the face thing. But I heard this. I thought, what did I see? The press 3D. They said a week. I think I was watching a YouTube thing. She said within a week. I said a week? I need this. Because I used to use the press. I don't like toothpaste. I like the gel. And I don't know if this is paste or gel. So I'm going to be tired about opening it.
Should I try it, y'all, for $15? Should I try it?
Does it have a taste? What's the taste it has in it? You want to taste like chocolate?
Mint. How you pronounce that? Invigorating? She embarrassing me.
Don't embarrass me.
They not selling no Corel up in here. Y'all, I know y'all see that stain the same way it's bothering y'all and y'all looking at it, it's bothering me and I'm looking at it while I edit this video. So, excuse that. I don't know what that is.
They make hands on a stain?
Suave has been sanitizer, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
She said, oh, yeah.
I don't do that cheap smelling hand sanitizer.
Yeah, should I try it or not?
Well, trying isn't a 4-pack, so no.
Okay. Please do. UVI's right there. Double and double. Trouble. Y'all, tell her that we need to create content for our channel. So I made our channel. I'm gonna put the link down below, and tell her that we need to start creating content.
It's about to be a patty.
So I got 2 toothpastes at home. That's why I don't need it. Not right now. I'm good. But yeah, tell her that we need to start creating content.
Well, hopefully, you know, as the world opens up, we get to see each other more. She's either slaving, tired, or sleeping.
You know it.
I've been free for the last 8 months.
Well, you know, things happen that we're not gonna discuss, but
I need some money. That's what it is last week.
and other things. And other things. But get my channel to 100 subscribers first, then we'll drop our first video.
Oh, I don't got Instagram, so I can't even promote it.
Get my channel to 100 subscribers and start to follow the Baes. It's called the Baes. Now it's called oh. Love it. Alright, y'all. The line is sort of moving, but not really. So
8 minutes, we only made halfway mark.
see you guys in Marshall's. Bye. Yo, so H is gonna read something from Homebody. I just read something, so you gotta read it. Don't read what I just read. I read that.
Your passage is too long. Cut the whole thing off.
No.
Oh, this book is crazy. What is it about? Okay. So, it seems like a really good reading. So, after feeling disconnected for so long, my mind and body are finally coming back to each other. So, the title of the book is Homebody.
What I read, I felt that. So
Yeah, basically saying that, you know, friendships can be abusive.
that's not what I just read.
Mentally abusive.
No,
That's what it
the
said.
other part.
What's the other part say? Oh, right here. No, Miss, she was crying.
No.
Oh, right here. She was
Here.
crying right here.
Let me read it again.
Read a lesson.
It feels,
this is cool.
hopefully y'all can hear me. It feels like I'm watching my life happen through a fuzzy television screen. I feel far away from this world, almost, she walking away, almost foreign
Oh, that's gonna push her.
in this body, as if every happy memory has been wiped clean from the bowl of my mind. I close my eyes and I can't remember what happy feels like. My chest collapsed into my stomach, knowing that I have to get up in the morning and pretend I'm not fading away all over again. I want to reach out and touch things. I want to feel them touch me back. I want to live. I want the vitality of my life back. So the part where you have to wake up in the morning and pretend that you're not fading away, that's what I'm talking about.
Catch her explaining that in part 2.
Here, read this one.
Oh my God. Your partner is supposed to enrich your life, not drain it. Staying when it hurts is not love. Oh, that's so true.
Period. Yo, and I'm just flipping through random pages while we wait on this line.
And some people 10 years together and they're just miserable. But we've been together. Don't let the time count. Make what each other, what y'all built count. They just
Oh, so I'm
sugar.
too,
Boop.
I'm too in love with my life to be spilling all over the floor for the next man who gives me butterflies when I could look in the mirror and take my own breath away. I hear you, girl. Yes.
Ready for the store, boy?
She's
Joe!
Ghetto.
Joe,
Oh, there's another water? I'm dead. In the back.
Watch the back. Young girl, still watch that back. Once you hurt the back, you messed up for life.
Yeah.
That's, I'm telling you, I know. I was like this last week. Had to stay home a week. Muscle spasm.
Wow.
5 injections in my back. All right, have a blessed one.
You
Stay
too.
safe.
Take care.
Stay warm.
You too, man.
Don't slip and slide in the sun.
Where you going?
Is it crowded in there?
Yes, ma'am.
the lines
The
are
li-
crazy.
Me?
Yeah.
New York. My background is Belizean, but I'm from here.
When you say yes, ma'am, it's like,
Oh, the South?
yeah,
I just grew up respecting my elders, so
your grandparents.
yeah.
God bless you.
You too. Where you going?
Oh, Marshall.
Yeah.
You have to go.
Yeah, I'm off.
Maybe looking through the corner. That's my husband, and I see a baby kid in the front.
When she like, oh, my grandparents didn't raise me, but I guess.
Like, cause it's like a phrase of like respect.
Mhm.
Nah, I just got like, where you from? Oh, like what's up? And I'd be like, what? I'd be like, excuse you? You mean yes?
It's cold up here. Winter is coming. Oh, winter been here, but the snow is coming.
It's a second or third snowstorm.
Second.
Let me get all the air I can
She said no
possibly
slipping
get.
inside and miss. I got no sneakers. The wrong ones at that.
Wait, I need some new Uggs.
So I keep saying that.
Yo,
And
mine's got a hole in it. You think I can write the Uggs? The corporation ain't gonna interfere.
I'm dead.
Y'all got a lot of English for white.
Oh. Oh.
Let me see. Well, I got a tip from my cousin. Them drinks is mad one if they're scary. You know what happened in Black that I was looking for? What's that place that was downtown? Oh, my baby needs some food.
Not those. Those are for girls.
Little boys.
Sorry. My glasses is falling.
Is that yours? That was it? That was ridiculous.
Oh, these are cute. Nine West. That ain't my size though. These are some baby ass shit. Yo, I like this bag, and she telling me I can't have it.
She don't have nothing to wear with it.
I
I
do.
like the material. He's had black.
Oh, what about this bag, yo? You like this bag? You think they got the fake Prada bags with the thing on it?
I can buy the face mask. $10.
$10 for how many? 3?
It come with 3. Well, the girls come with 3 face masks and 2 scrunchies. The boys come with 3 face masks and 1 mask laying yard.
I guess.
I ain't come here for these kids. Christmas over. Alright, 1, 2. I should just get it. This is 3 face masks. $3. $5. Oh, goodness. Put it back. I'll get my baby one. Which one?
I like that one. Yeah. Hey guys, I came for socks and I got other stuff. But it's for your immune system, okay? Can't play with COVID out here, okay?
Oh, I was gonna zoom in on the objects.
Oh.
You said I came in for top. Now you gotta start over. How you start over?
No, just I'll edit it.
So yeah, say over and then you're like something teens.
So I came here for socks, right? Why you leaning? I look like you're leaning. Yeah. So
Can I just start it over? This don't make no sense.
No, man. So I come here for socks, but I get other things to help with your immune system. So come now. We got elderberry, thing, yeah. Turmeric and ginger, apple cider vinegar, maximum strength with the mother. Make sure you say with the mother. Okay.
Yeah, say it again. You don't need an air pocket with this.
We're gonna get mugs for our apartment. So if you guys don't know, we're moving, guys. Sorry.
Wait for the video. Part 3.
Yeah, coming to you soon.
I ain't hear this on the verse.
I never heard this.
I don't know who's Bob. So I hear
It sounds like her.
like you should.
Yeah.
You should do.
When they be like, do you need a bag? No, it's okay. Asia, look outside. It's snowing. Asia, look.
Let it snow. Let it. It is. It's like Keisha face.
Oh,
Why she ain't bumped that?
right.
She was trying to be like a Shanti bump a future song.
Yeah.
Hello. There's a stop sign.
Yeah. Hi. All right, y'all. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.
Catch up for the snowball fight.
Yeah, I'm gonna be at home. I don't know what she's talking about, but about to drop her. Yeah, it's crazy out here, y'all. Be safe.